Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie and I help you change your beliefs so you can change your body, your health, and your life. For those who don't know me, right, like I used to be the shyest person ever. I had so many insecurities. I was not confident at all. And over the years, I've taught myself how to be confident, right? Like confidence comes from taking action. However, I still up to this day have some kind of social anxiety, and I have a lot of anxiety around going out where I don't know people, right? Going out into big groups. So the thought of going out alone in a foreign city to a club, that was like, I don't know if I can do that. But that's what I did last Saturday because I really wanted to go and see this DJ play. It looked amazing, the venue and all the lights, and I love good music with the lighting as well. Like it just stimulates my brain in the best way. It makes me so happy. But I was so scared of the crowd, what that would be like, of going out by myself, how people would perceive that. You know, you always think, I got bullied in primary school and high school as well, right? So I have that kind of wounding around going out and being the odd one out and like not belonging, and there was so much fear around that, but I did it and it was the best thing ever. I had so much fun and I felt so powerful afterwards because I had like overcome this fear and I had kind of done something different, done something I wouldn't normally do. I had taken on this challenge for myself and I achieved it, right? And like so many good things come from that. So that is what this video is going to be for you, but in regards to fat loss, not anything else. So if you are someone who wants to lose body fat and you're kind of feeling stuck, maybe you start something and you notice a bit of change, but then you can't really keep your results, or maybe you've got a little bit into your journey and like your progress has stalled, or maybe you are a chronic dieter, maybe you are sick of dieting, maybe you want to lose body fat, but you just don't really know where to start. This challenge is for you. I want to challenge you to eat at maintenance for 4 weeks, but do it in a very intentional way. And what I mean by that is you have to be 100% consistent with hitting your maintenance calories, hitting your protein intake, hitting your 10,000 steps every day, and getting 3 strength training workouts in per week. And these workouts have to be part of a structured program. They cannot just be a Pilates workout here and a weight training workout here, or even just let's do arms day, then let's do ab day, and then let's do leg day. No, it has to be structured. I would recommend 3 full body workouts for the week, making sure you are also taking your rest days and eating at maintenance on your rest days as well. Now, I know it might seem scary because you're thinking, but Jodie, I can't eat at maintenance, I'm gonna gain body fat. Or maybe you think, okay, I'll do this, but I'll just do a little bit under my maintenance, right? No, you have to take this seriously and do what I tell you to do. And if you do that, I guarantee you are going to lose body fat, right? Because majority of you have not done this properly before, and when you do it properly, it's just what happens. Even if you are someone that actually needs to lose some weight, what you'll probably find is you actually do notice the scale going down as well, because we've changed the other variables, right? Your steps have increased, your weight training, you're actually able to push your weight training harder, so you burn more calories through that. Eating more protein increases your thermic effect of food. All these little things combined add up to put you into a deficit to lose body fat, even though you're actually eating at maintenance calories. And if you're someone that doesn't really need to lose weight, this is absolutely perfect for you. It's what you should be doing, but you need to not cheat it by getting only 6,000 steps in today or not quite hitting your protein. You need to do all of the pieces to get the best results possible. And like, I just see it all the time with my clients, right? I had a new client start a month ago and the scale is going down when it shouldn't be, because she has implemented all of these things and she's sticking to it consistently, almost perfectly every single day. So that's my challenge to you. Commit to it for a month. It's not actually the longest time, and what you're going to realize is you've got a bit more room in your diet to include some treats or to actually eat more protein and hit your protein target. You're going to have more energy. You're going to feel better, especially if you're someone that has been chronically dieting forever. Your workouts are going to feel better as well. You're probably going to notice your hunger increasing and your sleep improving. And even if the scale doesn't change much, which it could, you're going to notice your shape changing in your body. How I want you to track this is you can take your weight and get a weekly average. It should stay around the same or even decrease. And then I want you to take your waist measurement, that should decrease. And I want you to take photos, and you should see some changes in your body when you compare your week 1 photo compared to your week 4 photo, the end of week 4. Now, after 4 weeks of doing this, you can either keep going, you might want to adjust your calories slightly. A lot of you will need to adjust them up, if I'm honest, just knowing from like what clients have to do usually. Or in some cases, you might adjust calories down slightly, but that doesn't usually happen. If you need help determining what your true maintenance calories should be and what your protein intake should be per day as well, I have a step-by-step guide on my website, which you can find the link in the description below. I really want you to take on this challenge and do it properly, and you can come back and share your results with me. Send me an email. I put that in the description as well. I would love to hear your progress. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please like it. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. If that's the case, I'll see you in the next video.